Hey everybody, my name is Karina, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious enfrijoladas. Growing up, it was one of my favorite meals. It's so easy to make and best of all, so affordable. I set my pan to low-medium heat with some oil. I'm going to start frying 1/4 of a small white onion and 2 garlic cloves, and we fry until golden. It's been about a minute and now I'm going to add 2 chiles de arbol and 2 chiles morita. After about 30 seconds, I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of water and we cover them and let them boil for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and it's ready. I'm gonna remove it from the heat and let it cool off. Add the onions and the chiles to a blender cup along with 4 cups of frijoles de la olla. I have a video on how to make frijoles de la olla. If you're interested, I'll leave a link. Now we blend everything until smooth. To cook the beans, I'm gonna be using the same pan and setting it to medium heat. I'm gonna add some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add the beans and we're gonna cook for about 3 minutes. Since my beans are a little bit too thick, I'm gonna add some more bean broth, or you can add water as well. And we're gonna cook for about 3 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes, our beans are ready, and this is how I like my beans. This is the consistency that I look for. Now I'm gonna grate the cheese and I'm using cotija. I set my skillet to medium heat. I'm gonna add some oil and start cooking our tortillas. And this is how I cook my tortillas. First, I dip them in water and then I add them to the skillet. And you move it around. And I don't like to fry my tortillas. I like to just make them soft. Just like that, and we put it in a plate. And we do the same for the rest. And you just do this for a few seconds. Make sure to not overcook them because they can also break. Now we're gonna start preparing our enfrijoladas. I like to dip the tortillas in the beans, just like that. And I add some cotija cheese in the middle. And then you roll them up. And we do the same for the rest. I like to add a little more beans on top, more cheese, and last, some salsa verde. All right, guys, moment of truth. I'm gonna add a little bit more salsa. These are so delicious. Ahora sí, my son is so ready to eat too. Está desesperado. Cheers. And they're so delicious, they're super soft, and the beans are amazing. ¿Quieres, mi amor?
Sí, mamá.
Oh, espérame. Voltéate para aquí, con la cámara. Cheers. ¿No está enchiloso?
No.
No, ok. Muy bien. Ahorita te doy más, ¿ok?
Ok. Amo, mamá.
Te amo, mi rey. Y el cameraman también está desesperado.
A mí, ¿por qué no me llamas?
And there you have it, delicious enfrijoladas. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.